If your sink is draining slowly on just one side of a double sink setup, you gotta check a couple of things right away. First off, start by clearing out the trap under the slow draining side. Sometimes hair, soap, scum, or gunk builds up there and messes with the flow. Next, check the divider between the two sink basins because it can get clogged too, slowing down just one side. Use a flexible drain snake or even a straightened wire hanger to poke around and break up any blockages. Don't forget to run hot water for a good minute after clearing stuff out to flush everything through. If that doesn't work, try using a natural drain cleaner like baking soda and vinegar instead of harsh chemicals to avoid damage. Also, make sure the air vent for the plumbing is not blocked, because that can cause slow drainage issues. Sometimes, the problem is as simple as a loose or misaligned pipe connection under the sink, so give those a quick look too. Lastly, avoid pouring grease or thick stuff down the drain in the future because that's a fast track to clogs. One of the biggest mistakes with slow draining double sinks is ignoring the individual traps on each side. People often just assume the problem is in the main drain line when it's usually localized. Fix that by taking apart and cleaning each trap regularly. Another common issue is neglecting the sink divider, which can get clogged with debris and cause one side to back up. Make sure to clear it out with a drain snake or similar tool. A third mistake is using chemical drain cleaners too often, which can corrode pipes and cause more harm than good. Instead, stick with gentle methods like baking soda and vinegar, or call a plumber if things get serious. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors find work by matching them with people nearby who need reliable help with projects, just like fixing slow drains or bigger home repairs.